still continue our way to Patara City. Do you want something, Foxon? Congratulations! Okay, if you want something, maybe you can just I can just bring food.
What? Is she gonna feed me? No, I'm a vending machine.
You say you're not gonna feed I'm not gonna feed you, right? Sorry. Okay. Okay, well I better take a nap or I better take a seat because it's night too. I can sit on a straw here. It's so strawberries. Hey, that gives me an idea. May I have some strawberry ice cream, please? Thank you very much. Um, mmm, it's so delicious.
I'm glad she likes an ice cream.
Mm. Oh yeah, that reminds me. I have to set up the campfire now. Okay, the straw's here. I don't think people might come. And I don't think Monster might come. Okay, I need to set up the tent. Marshmallow, please. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna roast the marshmallow. Mm, so good. I love it. Mm. Shall I call you Boxo? Hmm. Boxo? You ever met me before since you were stuck here? Congratulations. Hmm. I thought you'd say yes. What can you say no to? Sorry. Yeah, that's not what you said. I just make you sometimes. Also, would you mind not look while I'm sorry. You may look right. Congratulations. Okay, I better get changed to pajamas. Wait, I don't have any pajamas. Can you just wait here until I take off my clothes and I'll get my suit next? Thank you very much.
I want to see her change though.
Mm. Now I turn to naked, so. Nighty night. Boxo. See you again. What did she say? See you again. You said goodnight, right? Congratulations. Oh, great. This is a dry on thing.